Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Came out here to Carter's Slough where I've caught my one and only bowfin before and some decent bass. So I'm gonna see if I can get on some this morning. Got a really nice sunrise coming up. So it looks like it's gonna be a beautiful morning and we're gonna take advantage of it. Stay tuned. There we go. Oh, smash worm. There you go, guys. Got it on Tech Eye Fishing. Pumpkin and chartreuse smash worm. See the measures. Not a big one, but a good one. Alright, buddy. Bite. Oh, there we go. Damn fish. I knew there was a fish there. That was a good one too. Look at that sucker. There we go. Got one good cast right there, and I felt it. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. All right. Look at that sucker though. That's a good one. Alright. Nice. Measurement on you. folks. There we go. Nice fish. All right, buddy. You can go back now. He was ready to go.
Well, guys, it's gonna wrap it up for today. A couple of nice ones. One was 13 and a half and the other was 16 and a half inches. Caught that one right at the 11th hour, just as I was on my way out. And now I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. Be sure to like this video, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.